All right, my green goats and yellow Yorkies, you're going to be doing the same thing here today, except for the very last center. So the first thing, you are going to cut out these letters and build them here. Then you're going to write it underneath the pencil. Then you're going to take these and build the sentence here. Remember, every sentence begins with a capital letter. Every sentence ends in an ending mark. So that's your first word. That's going to be your last word. Then you're going to write the sentence here after you've cut and glued it. Then you will draw a picture. Now, the next center you're going to be doing has to do with prepositions. It says to write the preposition that completes each sentence. So you're going to need these cards, and y'all are going to have to share them around the room a little bit. So make sure that y'all are being quiet and being good about that. So for example, this one says the bird is blank, the tree. Is it below the tree or above? And clearly it is above. So we're going to write above for number 1 on our paper. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Okay. Above. I'm on the struggle bus. Okay, then the next thing you're going to do, let me make this box bigger, is read your passage, answer the question. Remember to read it 3 times and to answer each question correctly. I will be checking them. Same thing for my above level. This is going to be yours. It's about a jack-o'-lantern. And then my red raccoons, you're going to be working with beginning blends. So here today we have FL. So it says to say the name of each picture. So clearly this is a flower. And you're going to color the pictures that begin with the consonant blend FL. So flower, I hear FL, so I'm going to color it. Y'all may use your crayons and markers on this one. Now, the next one, let's see. Let's find one that's not FL. Honestly, I don't see hardly any of them that don't begin with FL, so that will be nice and easy for you guys. Just make sure that you are here in the FL blend. The next thing you're going to do is cut and paste these prepositions. So you have the word behind, inside, under, beside, in front of, on, above, between, near. So wherever the circle is compared to the cube or the rectangular prisms, you're going to cut and glue these right underneath it. And then, of course, you guys also have the passage, and it says to use the picture clues to help you read. It says to color this, but you need to color it according to what is said in the passage. Then you're going to fill in the blank on both of these. All right. Good luck.